railroad crossing.
The car's brakes are broken!
Someone calls 911. I've had an accident and need assistance.
We'll be there in a few minutes.
How was a car carrier truck made? Step 1. Testing the chassis. Step 2. Connect a truck head to a chassis. Step 3. Build a fold ramp gate. Step 4. Build an upper floor lifting. Testing the automation. How does it work? Railroad crossing.
Luckily, everyone is okay.
Let's begin.
I'm almost done.
All right, we'll handle the rest.
Good luck. Rescue station.
I came back.
We're ready.
Try your best.
Of course, trust us.
Come on, let's do it together.
Yes, sir!
Let's begin.
Whoa. Beautiful. What? Oh, no.
It's too expensive to buy. I'll build the Jurassic Park.
Let's build a Jurassic water park. Step 1. Install water pump casing. Step 2. Install conveyor. Step 3. Testing water pump works.
We need a stronger current to push the boat.
Step 4. Update water pump.
The boat is moving now.
Yeah!
Mr. Hand, it's great.
Let's decorate Jurassic Park together. Step 5. Decor the Jurassic Park.
Let's go.
I've caught up with you.
Woohoo! Come on!
One more round.
I heard something strange. The dinosaur is making.
They'll kill us all.
Oh no, Mr. Hand. Are you kidding me?
You have been taught a lie.
Woohoo! Come on! Yeah! Woohoo!
How to build a robot dog. Install the head. Install the tail. Install the body. Complete installation. Feature 1. Color recognition. Yellow. White. Red. Feature 2. Identify obstacles. Feature 3. Touch interaction. How the dog catches criminals. Burglar.
Oh no! The burglar broke into my house.
Captain!
Mr. Hand, the sheriff.
How is it going?
We didn't find any clues.
Let's look for clues. Huh? The dog smells something. Follow him.
Yes, sir.
This is definitely the burglars.
What's up?
No, puppy, let me handle it.
You are arrested.
Good dog.
Hurry! Leave the fire!
The fire was very large.
Let's me check the fire truck. Too small.
Let's me build a new one. Let's build a fire truck. Step 1. Build fire truck's body. Step 2. Build fire truck's wheels. Step 3. Build fire truck's water tank. Step 4. Build fire truck's head. Step 5. Build fire truck's ladder. Step 6. Testing moving fire truck. Step 7. Testing fire truck sprinkler.
Yay, let's go.
How it works.
Hurry! Let's evacuate!
The fire was under control.
Oh no.
Let me move the car.
Oh no, out of water. We must look for water sources.
I found it.
The sprinkler is full. Let's put out the fire.
Don't worry. Come on, kitten. Your kitten was safe.
Oh, Mr. Fireman, thank you.
Here, A.
Thank you.